All right, let me walk you through these calculators so you can see exactly what they do. I'm going to move at a steady pace and just show you the important parts so you understand how powerful these are. This is the roof cost calculator. I already have a few fields filled in, and you can see how clean the estimate is. Homeowners don't want to wait for quotes anymore. This gives them an instant ballpark number and sends you the leads automatically. Next is the roofing pre-quote calculator. Same idea. They answer a few quick things, and right here it gives them a price range. This one is great for contractors who want to pre-qualify people before ever getting on the phone. Here's the plumbing job calculator. Quick inputs, fast results. Plumbers waste so much time going back and forth with people who never book. This filters out all of that out with a clean instant estimate. So no one's wasting anybody's time. This one is the HVAC calculator. Home size, system types, and a few basics, and it gives the homeowner an immediate estimate. HVAC companies win more jobs when they respond faster. And this pretty much makes you the very first responder every time. Here's the electrical service calculator. Simple fields and a clear estimate. Electricians lose hours every week talking to people who aren't serious. This tool stops all the wasted conversations before they ever happen. And finally, this is the general contractor calculator. Perfect for remodels, additions, and general labor. A few details in and an instant estimate out. It works the same across all 6. Clean, simple, and extremely effective on any website. All 6 calculators are plug-and-play HTML files, no monthly fees, no software logins, and nothing complicated. You can install them in a couple of minutes on any platform. Agencies are using these to charge $500 to $1,000 per install, and contractors are using them to close better leads faster. If you want to try these calculators yourself, all the demo links are at the bottom of the page. Give them a spin and see how fast they really work.